the yellow color fluid are known as bile, and all the black color fluid are known as melanine. And they are the fluids which are situated in a particular vessel in all over the body. Not vessel, not as they come used in the allopathetic system of the medicine as the arteries, veins. Not only arteries and veins. It includes capillaries, minute vessels of the body. It includes extravascular fluids also, means outside the arteries or veins or capillaries, which is also known as the interstitial fluid. Interstitial fluid. And these four fluids have different temperament, specific temperament. According to Buchra, blood is hot and moist. Phlegm is cold and moist. Bile is hot and dry, and melanin is cold and dry. And these bile or these humors which are found in human body represents just the other classical theory of the Hippocrates that all the human body and all the matters of the universe are composed of four elements. Four element theory. That is earth, water, air, and fire. In Unani system, they are known as earth, means earth, water, ma, air, hava, and fire, na. And all these four elements have unique temperament, and these temperaments are represented in these four biles. Like earth represent the cold and dry. And in human body, cold and dry temperament is represented by the black bile or melanin. Water, cold and moist. And yellow bile, hot and dry, represented by air. Hot and dry, represented by nar. And hot and moist, represented by air. Means temperament of the blood is just like the temperament of the air, and it is hot and moist. And in human body, as the human body is composed of four types of the or four species of the materials: earthy material, watery material, airy materials, and fire materials. They are the species of the materials: earthy material, mai material, Hawaii material, and nari materials. And they have unique temperament, and after combination they produce special temperament. And which of these four biles is dominant? which decides the temperament of the individual person. That's why in Unani system of the medicine, we term individual or categorize individual in different temperament. Hot and moist temperament individual, hot and dry temperament individual, cold and dry temperament of the individual, cold and moist type of the individual. This is the theory of the humors and theory of the mizaj. And mizaj are produced due to the action and reaction of the different elements. Just as I mentioned, earthy material, watery material, airy materials and fire materials. Airy materials means all the gases which compose our body. Fire materials and watery materials and earth materials. And these materials exclusively known as elements in modern system of the medicine. And our body is composed of the different type of the elements. And these elements, when combined together, these elements also have a basic temperament, and when these elements combine together, they produce a special type of the temperament. And finally, as this type of the bile is present in dominant state, it decides the temperament of the individual as a whole. This is the temperament theory. And according to this temperament theory, we decide to say which type of the diet patient should have been taken. If he is hot and moist temperament, then specific diet plan for him. If he is cold and moist temperament, then specific diet plan for him. Just as I mentioned that one person who is hot and moist in temperament, he can tolerate hot and moist type of the foods and atmosphere very good. Otherwise, when we keep him in opposite type of the temperament condition, he will not be tolerated in that condition. That's why equilibrium in humors, basis of the treatment. If there is a derangement in the temperament, leads to the disease. And derangement of the temperament leads to the derangement of the balance of the bile. And balance of the bile or humors, basis of the treatment. Restoration of the temperament, basis of the treatment. Means, according to Unani system of the medicine, humors and temperament are the basis of the treatment. We have to make equilibrium of the temperament and equilibrium of the humor to make a person disease free. That's why preventive, curative, medication and rehabilitation of the patient's care are the basis. Comprehensive approach of treatment in non-communicable, metabolic, degenerative, psychosomatic and lifestyle disorders. This is a statistic, colleges wise. Institutionally qualified practitioner are 45,000. Indian system of medicine. Education is regulated by the Central Council of Indian Medicine, statutory body set by Government of India. And Unani system of the medicine award the degree of BOF Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. Postgraduate courses in 6 subjects of 3 years duration, MD Unani Medicine, and currently there is MS Unani system of medicine in Bangalore. Bangalore College known these star indicates research centers located in India. Hyderabad Medical College. This is National Institute of Unani Medicine, Bangalore. Especially built for the purpose of teaching of postgraduate students. Currently, Unani system of the medicine and all the Ayurvedic system of the medicine and Indian system of the medicine are under the scanner, and that's why good manufacturing practices. It implies for the manufacture of the different Unani or Indian products, Indian medicinal products. As all of you know that in European Union there is continuous export of the Indian system of the medicine drugs prepared by the Ayurveda and Ayush. And due to the heavy metals found in these drugs, they are targeted and scanned. And they found in this study that they can lead to the heavy metal poisoning. That's why they bombarded on the Ayush, and Ayush ultimately made this approach. Good manufacturing practices is after standardization of the plants, we have to make different formulations of the medicine, and each formulation, as indicated on its cover, should contain same things in same quantities. After that, the state licensing authority will provide license for that. All of you comfortable with English, but I am not comfortable. Can I make some big
Go ahead. We can talk English and Hindi.
big stuff?
Doesn't matter.
गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस जो है आयुष की तरफ से जब अडॉप्ट किया गया, तो इसके अडॉप्शन के बाद में जो है इंडियन सिस्टम